In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier with Discord. So, hit create, new Zap. Now, you can have a few different options. You can do the trigger as Discord, or you can do the action as Discord, or both. So let's say you want the trigger as Discord. Here. So let's say you have a new message posted to a channel. Continue. Let's say this one. Pick channel. I'm going to say general. Continue. Hit test. And okay, nice. So they found my message. Continue. So now, what do you want to do with this? So there's tons of things you can do with this. If you wanted to turn your Discord messages into a Google Doc transcript, you could do that. You could put the Google Docs here. You could put it into Notion. As I say, there's 5,000 different apps. So there are tons and tons of ways that you can use it. You've really got to decide what you want to do with it. Let's say you want to put it into a Google Doc. You can put create document from text, upload document, appends text to existing document. I'll just do this one for now. So it's going to ask you to connect your account. Now it's going to say action. I'm going to click this one for the template. New document name. So let's say I'll put the content as the name and then continue. Hit test. So basically every time someone sends a message into Discord now, it's going to create a new file with that message. Now obviously that is very unuseful, but what you can do is fiddle around with this and get it to do what you need it to do. There's tons of options and it's really useful. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe and comment down below that it helped. Thanks for watching.